Top stories coming from Varanasi. At least 9 people are feared killed in twin explosions in the holy city of Varanasi. The blasts occurred at the Sankat Mochan temple and the cantonment railway station between 6:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. At least 24 people have been injured in the incident, and now a nationwide alert has been sounded. Well, at the time of the blast at the temple, there was fairly a huge crowd of devotees. Today being a Tuesday, of course, the temple is dedicated to Hanuman. The Aarti is also done between 6:30 and 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. The injured have been admitted to the SS hospital at the Banaras Hindu University. The second blast took place on a train, the Shivaganga Express, at the cantonment railway station. A live bomb was also found in a restaurant near the temple. It was defused by the bomb disposal squad. The police said that they found a bomb in the Canara Bank in Gyan Vyapi and defused it. An unclaimed car with the UP registration number was found in the VIP parking of the cantonment railway station. The UP government has also announced a solatium of 5 lakh rupees for those killed.
सवा 6 के लगभग में मैं मंदिर आया हूँ और मैं बैठ करके वहाँ जो जहाँ मिठाई बटता है मंदिर के कैंपस में, वहाँ पर मैं सामने में जूता खोलना शुरू किया हूँ। वो जिंदगी और मौत के बीच, मेरे जिंदगी और मौत के बीच मात्र 5-10 सेकंड का फासला था। मैं जो ही यहाँ एक फाइट का जूता खोल रहा हूँ कि एकाएक बहुत शक्तिशाली विस्फोट हुआ है। वो गर्भगृह के ठीक सामने में ऊपर दक्षिणा पथ पर में जो ही शक्तिशाली विस्फोट हुआ है कि सारे लोग ऐसे तैसे करके भागने लगे। जब सब भागने लगे तो फिर मैं एक 2 मिनट तक मैं भी वहाँ पर मैं खड़ा रहा हूँ किंग कर्तव्य में। फिर मैंने लोगों से कहा कि भाई बम फटना तो पता, आप जा करके उनको जो है सो मतलब उठाया जाए हाथ लगा करके। वहाँ पर मैं सब भागने लगे। 5-7-10 मिनट तक लगभग भगदड़ मची हुई है। 10 मिनट के बाद सभी भाग गए। वही 1-2 जो परिचित थे और कुछ लाशें वहाँ पर में रह गई। उसके बाद फिर कुछ लोग आए, कुछ पुलिस प्रशासन के लोग 10 मिनट बाद जो पहुँचना शुरू किए, वो लोग लाश को हाथ लगाने से भी।
These, of course, were scenes that we saw shortly after the blast. What is the situation as of now in Varanasi? Situation as regards security, as regards peace, and perhaps most importantly, as regards safety of those injured. Let's now go across to Amitanshu, correspondent with Outlook, who's joining us now from very close to the site at Varanasi. Amitanshu, could you talk us through what exactly you're seeing right now? Right, we seem to have lost out with Amitanshu, but these of course are scenes of what happened today between 6:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. These of course scenes just outside the Sankat Mochan temple, where one of the blasts took place. The other blast was of course aboard the Shivaganga Express, which took place at the cantonment railway station, which is just about 7 kilometers off this site.